salon first because the cafe is cool, right? Have to cool down my phone first. I can't believe it's like I leave. I see you. Someone tried to, I don't know, hijack my stream. It say like the driver is too hot. The driver of the phone is too hot. The app has to be closed. ข้างบนนี้ที่นั่งได้หมดหรือว่ามีวิว
มีวิวแต่ว่าข้างบนมันจะไม่ได้เปิดแอร์
อ๋อเมนูอะยังไม่ทำ It's not about phone, even like what kind of phone is still too hot, God, because it's so hot. And I walk directly outside of the street on the afternoon. I session. I come back for a what how iPhone is like have a cool system, right? อันนี้อะไรอะคะ
อันนี้จะเป็นขนมจีนน้ำยาค่ะ
คือชุดอันไหนคะเนี่ย
เป็นขนมจีนน้ำยาปลาแซลมอนค่ะใช่ค่ะชุดบนเลยค่ะ
เหมือนเป็น recommend อย่างเงี้ยเหรอค่ะ
ใช่ค่ะ
อันนี้แหละค่ะ
หนึ่งชุดนะคะแล้วเป็นน้ำอะไรดีคะข้าวเหนียวนะคะ
โอเคนี่ถูกแล้ว
เอาชาเขียวปั่นอะเดี๋ยว come back ก็
สักครู่นะคะ
what are you talking about iPhone? Okay, iPhone is not good for streaming. Like if you are a professional streamer, you're not gonna use iPhone. You miss you. What do you got? But some of you already know that what happened. Like you guys like already know that I'm overheat my phone, right? Is that like you have like a wetting or it's just like closed like back screen or like a connection like that have like the phone and computer thing? No, you don't. Like it's closed. Ah. Oh, alright. It's 34 Celsius. It said 34 Celsius. I don't sure about outside. It's okay. We can eat it. It's so hot. I imagine if I live in the eastern of Thailand, it's way more hotter than there. In 1 second, you were smashing your phone. Really? Do you know how I come to this place? Do you know, right? I want to have that, like protect, like a camera, like a umbrella for phone, umbrella for surfing. They have a guy that have motorbike that I asked them for where is it like that, and he offered me to have a free ride here. Yeah, my motorbike. But my first try is try to walk. But yeah, you per 90 per ค่ะเพราะว่าเขากลับแล้ว See in the outside they have like a field like that. You see the field? We are inside first. So far away. I want to go like more far away than this. But you know, I never plan. I eat sticky rice and chicken, small one. I don't know, maybe you. Like I have all the plan. I'm looking for a place where I'm going on this morning. Like not morning, like 11 o'clock when I finish shower. Yeah. Should I want to go out of Bangkok too soon? Ui. If you take a photo and check in this place, yeah, it's different, right? If you take a photo and check in this place, you have 10% discount of your meal. What do you mean move my hand? You're gonna go for Facebook? 10% of discount. Like 20 baht. I don't like want to people to know where I'm going. I mean the outside stream. Where are you now, Ki? You say you go to America or something? Or somewhere? I forget. I have a very, very good food. I want you to see, like, they have a khanom cheese. I don't worry about someone show up. I just like, someone to know. I like it, like, I don't know. They don't have to know. And I had to get inside the air conditioner first to cool down my driver. Now come back, God. Oh my God, what is this thing? What is this thing?